Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll show you a ultimate AI platform where you can actually try out all the premium models which are there in the market. So the platform name is MakeHub.ai. So if you go to the browser, simply type this address and this website will come right here. And it basically has all the AI models such as Claude, GPT, Llama from all the popular AI providers such as Google, Claude. So what you need to do, so you can actually log in with your Google account here. So simply create an account here, and after that you can access any AI platform from the single dashboard. So it will now redirect you to the dashboard area. So it gives you this sample credits whenever you log in with your Google account. You can even click on this button, add credit, to add some sample credits inside this platform so that you can try out different AI models right here. So if I click the models families, you basically see OpenAI GPT. It provides you DeepSeek, Meta, Llama, Google Gemini, Anthropic, Claude. You will see all the models are present right here at a single platform. So this you can select any individual model right here. Let me select DeepSeek. So it provides you with all these models right here if you see. So then you can go to API key section right here and you can generate your new API key. Just put a name right here and then it will give you your API key. So if you're developing any kind of application, you can store this API key and make request. So this is a very simple platform. You don't need to create multiple accounts at different locations. So and now to integrate it, you can actually install any of these extensions. If you are working in VS Code, simply this popular extension is there, which is clean. So here you can paste this API key. So simply install this coding agent right inside VS Code. So this will appear something like this. So right here you can, inside the settings page, you can paste this API key that is generated right here. So or you can directly write any sort of Python program and directly paste this API key and call these any AI model. So this platform name is MakeHub.ai. Definitely check out this, and you just need to, from this provider, if you install this extension, simply from this API provider, simply select this provider which will be there. So if you see this, so from the provider you can actually select this provider. Think it is, and just paste this API key. So inside this provider make hub you will see, so here you select this provider make hub, just paste this API key and just make this request here to this API. So this is their documentation which is given. So definitely check out this ultimate AI platform where all these AI providers are there, and you can basically make request. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.